How can you rebuild working relations when cancer enters your life? Isabel Weemaes, project manager for the European project I Know How, shares her experience with us.
You might not be the same person as you were before because of treatment. You might have still some symptoms that will never go away again. And you have to be able to speak about that with your employer and see what can be done about it. We see a lot of opportunity for new projects as well. For instance, the colleagues, they were not really implicated within this project, but they're obviously very important in the relationship with the employee as well. And we noticed that some things can be done also for the colleagues to make it easier to welcome a person after long-term illness back into the team. It was very interesting to work together with the 4 countries and the different organizations in this project. So we've got France, Belgium, the UK and the Netherlands, which all have very different laws concerning return to work and also very different culture. So the roadmap is actually what all the countries have in common. So it's a common concept with key moments for patients, employers and employees, and also each time the 3 perspectives at certain key moments.